What's up, boys? So in my journey to upgrade my rig for YouTube, gaming, all the normal things that come along with having a YouTube channel, I ran into a couple of issues and I just wanted to do my part, seeing as how I have a YouTube channel, kind of a public service announcement, if you will, regarding the Lian Li TL series fans. Just so that everyone is aware, these new TL fans do not work on any of the older SL or AL style controllers. They are all separate. So if you have maybe the Uni fan with the controller pack and you thought you could just grab a couple of these, plug them into the old controller and that they would all function together, that is not the case. From my understanding, you can only run a certain amount of the LCD fans on one port for the controller, or if you have the non-LCD fans, I think it's 10. Again, public service announcement, I'll be putting all pertinent information up here in the corner. I just want to make people aware of that in case they thought they could pick up some of these, slap them in the controller that they already have, and be on their merry way. I had to find all this information digging in pretty deep in Reddit and whatnot. It doesn't appear that they've been doing 4-packs yet, so I think that maybe was a little confusing. Unless I'm a giant idiot, that seems to be the consensus. They're great fans, but you need to get a separate controller, and they need to be on separate USB internal ports. From my understanding, for these TL LCDs, they need their own header directly to the board and cannot be on a splitter. Again, that is what Lian Li has stated multiple times, both on Reddit and in their documentation on their website. So just be aware. If you thought these were cool, or you want to do a build with them, by all means, they're awesome. I've got a couple more and the controller on the way, but I just wanted everyone to know. So yeah, that's it. All right, guys. Have a good one. Oh yeah. And for all my people, I understand this is not my normal type of content. I am a firearms primary enthusiast, but yeah, this is also a general hobby channel, so I don't know, maybe this should have gone on the second channel when I make one. I don't know, we'll figure all that out.